out of fidgets. I only have 2, so I'm gonna go scamming. So I'm gonna say this is legendary. Trading once, trading twice.
Me.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a puppet.
Please add.
That's just an infinity cube.
It is? No, it's really legendary.
Okay. I have a marble bash, a bike chain, and I'm gonna trade a squishy.
Please add.
Fidget spinner, and that's my final offer.
One more. Do you have any mochis?
Sorry, I'm not gonna trade my mochis.
Okay. What do you have for offer?
I have a ring, and that's my final offer. Hey, this isn't legendary.
I just got this.
Hey, this isn't legendary.
This.
Give me my stuff back.
And this.
Give me all my
And
stuff
this.
back.
And this.
Give me all my stuff
Wait.
back.
Yeah, I had the puppet.
Nope.
I just traded that. Trading once, trading twice. Yeah, what do you have for offer? What do you have for offer?
This, it's super rare.
Yeah, this is 2. Really good. Please add. One more.
A squishy ball, and
Okay, here.
thanks.
I just got all 3 of these. Okay, now I'm gonna trade this fidget spinner. And it is actually really legendary. Trading once.
Me.
You. What do
Okay.
you have? This is really rare, so you have to trade me.
Pea popper. I have a wacky track. I have an infinity cube, and I have a thing.
You have to add 2 more.
No, I'm sorry. I'm not adding any more.
I can't take it.
This is legendary. This is legendary, and this is
I
legendary.
can't take that off.
And this is also legendary. Fine. I'll add a puppet.
One more.
One more monkey noodle.
Hey, that was a scam.
Haha, it was a scam.
I take it back.
Okay. Actually,
I'm trading this monkey string.
me.
It's really legendary, so I'm gonna ask her because she might give me some emojis. Because this is really legendary. Trading one.
Me.
You.
I'm gonna trade you some of my mochi.
How many?
I'm gonna trade you 2. 1,
I need 3.
2, 5,
5?
3. And then I'm also going to trade a monkey noodle.
Okay. Look what I just got. These ones are not unwrapped, so I might unwrap. I'm not gonna unwrap them because I might be trading them soon. So I'm gonna trade this marble mash, and it's legendary.
Me.
Actually, I'll trade one more time. Only this. Trading one.
Me.
trade-
This is my final offer, and I'm not trading anymore. I'm sorry.
Okay.